Delete unwanted programs. Many PC manufacturers pack new computers with programs you didn't order and might not want. These often include trial editions and limited edition versions of programs that software companies hope you'll try, find useful, and then pay to upgrade to a full version or a newer version. If you decide you don't want them, keeping the software on your computer might slow it down by using precious memory, disk space, and processing power. You should remember that a clean system is always a fast system. You should always delete any software or program in your system which you don't really use. In Windows, the process of completely removing or deleting a program or software from your computer is called uninstallation. So you should always uninstall the program rather than just press delete on a shortcut program file. It is really easy to do an uninstall in a Windows machine, a laptop or a PC. Click on the Windows button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, type Control Panel in the search. In the window that opens, click on Uninstall Programs, which is located under the Programs option. The window that opens next will display all the programs that are currently installed on your system. The next step is to uninstall the program that you do not want. In order to do this, select it. We will select Google Talk plugin for this example. Once you've selected it, click the Uninstall button at the top. Repeat the process on all the programs that you do not want until all of them are uninstalled. You will have to do this one by one. Doing this will free up your memory, and eventually you will find your system is performing faster after doing this. Finally, a word of caution. Don't uninstall the programs which you are not sure of, as it can have a negative impact on the working of your system. Don't install any program that you are not sure of, but definitely uninstall programs that you do not use. If you uninstall programs that you do use, you will not be able to use them again until you have reinstalled them. So be very cautious during the uninstallation process.